The mission to ensure the Army's electromagnetic spectrum, or EMS superiority, continues with members of Project Manager Electronic Warfare and Cyber leading the way. The team is training electronic warfare, or EW officers and NCOs, on two things: their Electronic Warfare Management and Planning Tool, or EWPMT, the commander's tool to visualize, control, manage, and dominate the electromagnetic spectrum, and the training software that will work with that system, the Intelligence Electronic Warfare Tactical Proficiency Trainer, or IEWTPT. As part of Program Executive Office Intelligence Electronic Warfare and Sensors, EW&C aims to make these two software systems so portable they can work with equipment that has already been issued. With cooperation from PEO Simulation, Training, and Instrumentation, or PEO STRI, the team will train up soldiers to use both, with an end goal of these soldiers taking that knowledge back to home station to share it with their respective teams.
It's definitely very complex. This started about 1.5 years ago with the EWPMT tool and some of their requirements. So through various work groups, a lot of user interaction, we were able to start developing this capability. And key to the success here is getting that soldier feedback on how the actual software works and the interaction between it. So we've taken that feedback, made adjustments throughout this, and we're on the verge of fielding this capability in the coming months.
And creating that system to train not just the next generation of EW soldiers, but every generation, is a challenge that the EW warfare community welcomes.
So I think that one of the things that we're trying to do here is sort of develop the systems that we will need going forward to maximize training resources. One of the ways that we'll do that is through virtualized training. And the other part of this is that a lot of the things that we do in the SIGINT, EW, cyber sort of trade space is that it requires an environment that is so complex. It's really difficult to replicate at home station, at least in a high enough volume to make it really, a worthwhile endeavor. So in order to make sure that we're getting the most out of the times that we do have the opportunity to build those complex exercises, we really need to make sure that we're maximizing these virtualized training environments.
The event was 5 days, with feedback provided by personnel gathered from all over the Army. I'm John Higgins, PEO, IEW&S, Public Affairs.